Oh, Sana, poor Zama, the way she cried after obviously Sanele slash Banele has called off the traditional wedding. Oh, Sana, she cried her lungs out, and for a moment there, I really felt for her, like I felt sorry for her, and I was like, oh, Sana, she does not deserve what is happening to her, especially when also Banele came back to fetch his belongings, and he was like, listen, I'm here to fetch what belongs to me. Zama tried to resist and be like, you ain't going nowhere, please do not leave me. I mean, considering the fact that she's pregnant, as much as Zama is quite annoying, like she was annoying me, honestly speaking, but I mean, she is pregnant at the end of the day, and yeah, it's not nice knowing that your baby daddy is leaving you. And not only is your baby daddy leaving you, your baby daddy is probably going back, okay? Because now Mbali and Usanele, they decided to go back to Umakumalo and inform Umakumalo ukuthi ubanele right here has not, oh sana yazi indaba kabanele, andiyazi tu ke sana. Ubanele has not swapped back the bodies with the real Sanele. But one thing for sure, as much as I was so angry at Ubanele, I feel like he did acted selfless in terms of letting Umbali know everything, that everything happened, it was not Sanele's fault, it was definitely my fault, everything happened because of me. And so I think should they swap back the bodies, i-relationship kaMbali beno Sanele izocontinue, izoqhubeka soft, nicely and smoothly. However, guys, I am so dead tired of it. Like, I want this season to end, and they better not come back with season 2. They better not do that to us, okay? This was a completely failed drama, soapy, whatever you want to call it. Mzansi Magic failed us here, like they really did. Such boring, confusing storyline, hard to follow. I just want Sanele to come back and let's get this thing over and done with, okay? It was a complete fail project. The sad part here is the fact that they really did casted good actors, okay? The actors are wonderful, great, love the casting. The storyline, oh Sana, I can't with the storyline, honestly. She doesn't like Umembeso to go on, and she would like ukuthi bebe no Sanele together and forever and forever. And no Sanele naye uthi nekhuleka I mean ubanele, and I'm not sure because uZama ngimzwe ekhuluma nomngani wakhe as if she is very much we are suspect her, she's away, we are suspect ukuthi no, these people could be swapping bodies and it's a different spirit but same body, but yeah, in a way also uZama ushilo ukuthi angeke ngise ngilenze lelo phutha lokuthi ngimbuze mina ubanele ukuthi hey kahle kahle kwenzakalani la namlisa, she did say ukuthi angeke sembuze uzothula nendaba. So one day I hear in bed, I'm struggling to connect noZama in terms of as she away, ukuthi now as much as it's Sanele's body but it's now Banele. Yo guys, they're confusing, that's indaba. Kodwa ke guys, uBanele uthi nje lalela, you are the only person odeserva ukuba uMrs Magwaza nje umembeso will take place ngi-6 feet because there is no way that the members will continue and go on whilst me and you yo guys, kwaze kwa stressful indaba kaSanele benomane, like is stressful ngalendlela exakile kusami exakile. Meanwhile kosam sinomakoti wethu la, yay sinomakoti wethu akamhle umbali guys, lalela yey if ubuhle buyathengiswa sisacela ukuthi umbali esitshela ukuthi buthengiswapi. Sisacela nje umbali esplage bafethu sizowazi ukuthi ubuhle buthengiswapi, because ugirl akamhle kalokhu, like mhle, like gorgeous girl, she is beautiful, like mhle sana. So if khona la ubuhle buthengiswa khona sisacela bandla do right by us wezama, do right by us, usithengisele ubuhle, like so sonke siyafuna ukwazi ukuthi yini ubuhle kahle butholakala ave mhle nkosi yami uzama. But anyway guys, akaphenikho umakoti wethu, and it seems like ke guys usanele, expectedly ukuthi phela bekumele buye kubo kuzo preparishwa kahle ukuthi kuyahanjwa kiwa kumembeso nani usanele akasebuye, usanele akabonwa manje ke ilanga lika membeso, still bandla umkhonyane wethu azosigila usanele ayekho akabonwa. Yay wazwamfaka umbhali kuPanic Moka, awucabange nje usulahlekelwe umkhonyane, beliyosini ube muhle nangumkhonyana akasekho. Wazwagileka bambona ukuthi yazini ugilekile, elikhulu igoda leli ayi. So ke guysini angeke ngise ngintshele ukuthi uMembeso uzoqhubeka noma uzoma, because at this moment akwaziwa guysini, at this moment angiboni ukuthi kuclear for most of us, it's still a very much mystery within most of us, to know and to understand ukuthi kahle what is happening. Will Sanele show up and be there for uMembeso, or will Ubanele keep on being with Uzama? And also the snapback, because you must know ukuthi Uzama benoBanele now they are on vacation, but yazini we are pulling a no show. You gotta love Ubanele, but yazini asiyihluphi thina, we are pulling a no show, sizi kuMembeso. So whilst ke Uzama benomuntu wakhe baku vacation bese enjoy, others are stressing nkosami, kodwa baze bamstress umbali, bamustressa umbali, because guys ama preparations kaMembeso like legit on kushada ngomkhonyane, lalela ishirt likhona kushada ngomkhonyane, but umkhonyane no show, kodwa ishirt lithi nje ngilinda ukugqokwa, lithi nje okusamkhonyana noma yini okungavela nje phambi kwami. But kesana it is what it is, very shameful. I'm very hurt as well, on behalf of umbali guys. Umbali akadeserve akayideserve nje into akayenziwa usanele benozama, like akayideserve tu kesana. But anyway guys, please do comments down below ngale storyline sika Membeso, hawe ma sazagileka. Do you all think ukuthi like it's gonna go on, it's gonna go on kuzoyenzakala ngendlela kumele kwenzakale ngayo, noma do you all think ukuthi hawe ma uzophonxeka ke Uzama lapha esemile ke sekumele echaza ukuthi hey inkosi yami umkhwenyana, sekumele vele sinjalo umkhwenyana vele wayihlangana nenkulu le ingozi yemoto, so izinto ke izange saphumelela kamkhwenyana, because uzothini ngempela uzothini. But anyway guys, we also have another big storyline other than lesi sika Membeso. However, kunzima guys, at this point on iThonga umuntu nomuntu ubhekene nezinkinga zakhe, umbhali nabantu bakahlahla babhekene nengwadla inkinga kaMembeso, and then we have the Ntanzis, they don't even notice ukuthi their daughter Uzama akekho ukuma vacation. They can't even make noticed because busy, but nobody no Faith benophinda. Yay zaze zaningi izinkinga kuThonga. Anyway guys, getting into storyline sikaphinda nje mina uphinda ngimzweli, angifuni nje nokuqamba manje ngithi nje mina uphinda ngiyamzwela, ngizwela nje uFaith nkosi yami imvi yenkosi uFaith, but nje umntana kuphinda, sorry andimuveli kwanto andimveli.
But anyway guys, it is said ukuthi after uNtanzi benobhuti wakhe have made peace, they will then decide what to do ngoFaith benophinda. Yeyiwe gazini, ngiyazazi nezigebengu, yabona uphinda inswela boya shame, inswela nje boya yesigebengu. Lalela ke gazini, after uPaulo benomduduzi decided to make peace, and you know nje making peace yabo nkosami ibi formal, ibi involve namadlozi, ubona nje ukuthi hayi informal nansi into ethi let's make peace. Anyways, they then decided what are they gonna do ngoFaith benophinda, and umduduzi decided to just go and confront uFaith. uFaith nkosami ave thanda yayiqinile emthandazweni nangumama. Yeah guys, nilalela ayikho into ezoqinisa emthandazweni njengokuthi ube nenkinga, hlangabezana nje nenkinga wena uzovela uqine emthandazweni, ubone kahle ukuthi azini futhi ayikho enye ezongisiza ngaphandle ukuthi nje ngivele ngiqine emthandazweni. Hayi uFaith ke lana uyathandaza and uyangena ke la umduduzi uzomconfronta. uFaith ukhipha imali, uyasho ukuthi ngiyacela bandla ngicela ukuthi nje uphinda nemxolele like uyenze nje enkulu leli iphutha. And umduduzi uthi nje no, asoze nina ninomntanakho niyamakhulu amaqola ezigebengu because ningixabanise nobhuti wami. And umduduzi uyasho la ukuthi nawe Faith was wangiphoxa all along, uyangibuka ngiyaxabana la nobhuti wami and wena like uyalazi iqiniso, uyazi ukuthi what has been going on between thina sonke lana, and awunankinga, like you are just not bothered, you know. And all along mina ngiyaxabana ke la nobhuti wami, mina nobhuti wami asisakhulumisani nje, it's just a mystery between my brother and I. When you just could not be bothered, you just could not be bothered by anything whatsoever. Okay ke umduduzi uyashokela ukuthi hayi wazwangiphoxa Faith, shuthi nje baqinisile mabethu ungabomthemba umuntu, because like I honestly was putting my trust in you and you have like deeply disappointed me. uFaith ukhipha nemali, umduduzi uthi hey Faith, waze walethi usho nje wena ngempela ngoba ungaboni ukuthi le ndaba akuseyona nje indaba yemali, like ayisayifuni imali, le ndaba over above and beyond imali. Yo guys, like nami I fell for Faith, like I really do, because njengomzali guys, what was she expected to do? Honestly, what was she expected to do? Sell out her only son? Like kunzima guys, good difficult, you know. You can't ask anyone rather to sell out their only son. Like it's close to impossible. Cannot ask anyone to say, hey listen, sell out your only son. Like guys, like let's be real now, okay? So I understand also like this thing yemali escalated, especially because umduduzi actually did have like a serious fight with uMbangenzitha, and I guess ukuthi umduduzi naye he's out for blood, you know. He's just like, I got humiliated, ngahlazeka ngisho nala endaweni yangakithi, everybody knew about ukuthi ngixabane nobhuti wami and now I'm nothing, you know. And uFaith nkosi yami sabathe nje uyayingcenkela ukuthi hayibona xola nkosi yami phela, you know, it was a thing yokuthi phela ulontuzana usemncane uphinde kuhle, and nje beku confusion, you know, a whole lot of confusion was happening, and now I am starting to see clear that I shouldn't have. Yeah. Umduduzi usisala kanjalo mama nokukhohlakala kwakho. And I'm not even exaggerating. That's exactly what he said. Uthi nje nina nizoyibona futhi nizoyithola into enifanele, angifune nje nakwamali yakho, ungalinge nje uzoyihlupha uzonginika imali, because this is beyond money. This is nothing that money can fix. Money cannot even mend what has been broken, between what you and your son tried to break. Yo guys, And you know, the most sad thing, Faith, as much as she took out all her savings, she still says her savings doesn't reach the money that is needed, which is just 56,000. You know, it's not like it's a million, it's just a 56,000. But again, she'll still be like, oh no, but the money does not reach the money that is not needed. But I promise you, I will pay you every cent as long as you will spare my son's life. Shame. You can tell ukuthi the Ntanzi brothers are in it for life, are in it for blood. Bathi nje angeke asoze. And you know, the way Mduduzi just hands his back on Ufaith, and Ufaith is left there begging. And Ufaith has been locked in this room for like some time now, you know, which makes me wonder, oh, poor Faith, has she even had anything to eat? Because we remember Umpangenzita did say Faith's punishment will be that she will go on days and days without food. Hayi ke guys, nasi sigeleke qesa uphinda yazi futhi inkosi yami uphinda sigeleke yazi sigeleke asikho ngisho focus lesigeleke inswela boya nje umuntu akekho ngisho na focus. Akuyena nophinda, akuyena yini uphinda oziqaqayo, because phela uphinda was tied in a different room from Ufaith. Nangoku uphinde iqaqa coming to Ufaith ke lana usa kuFaith akwenziweni aku-escape, and uyazi ukuthi Nkosi yami amaqhinga akhe onke have been failing. Why is he even attempting and dragging Ufaith along? Oh Nkosi yami, Ufaith is such a great mother though, because she does say ukuthi yazi mntanami, perhaps it's better ukuthi kube wena who will escape, okay, and leave me here so that mina ngizoshela amacala akho. Because Ufaith, at least she is at her senses right now. She knows ukuthi should they escape, they will make this thing worse, okay? It's gonna be worse. So it's better if uphinda escape one and the one person will be left to take the punishment. Yo, I ngithi uphinda did not even think twice. Yay, angilazi igwala njengophinda. Ngithi uphinda did not even think twice ukuthi himself he has to escape and leave his own mother to take the hits. Hayi shame. Hayi makusuka khona amagwala emhlabeni, kodwa bona uphinda ulast number wegwala. Indeed, uphinda will escape, and as soon as the Ntanzi brothers finds out ukuthi uphinda will escape, yo, they will go AWOL. They will go AWOL, banging everything that you can think of, fighting it, saying that lalela uphinda udingeka la njengamanje. You know, and sadly ke Nkosi yami for uphinda, it is said ukuthi hayi bandla, hayi lizomshonela shemela kubo, lizomshonela, and he won't even get far after he has escaped. He's gonna be hunted down, you know. Umpangenzitha uzokhipha wonke amadoda akhe to hunt uphinda down. Kuthiwa ke shame Nkosi yami uphinda wabantu will not even get far after his escape. He will be captured again, be reunited with his mom, and nje uMduduzi bandla akajiki esigwetshweni sakhe. And wesi ke uthe nje abashisi Nkosi yami, uthe nje abangqonqe bashe bobabili umama nendodana, because vele akusekho indaba yokuthi bayophinde babathembe babatrust in family business ever again. Wazowamfaka uFaith enkingeni Nkosi yami uphinda, yazi wazowamfaka uFaith enkingeni enkulu, izumbuzumbu senkinga, and uFaith akadeserve shame kuba kule nkinga kiyo wesi ke faka uphinda. Hey guys, ngised mina. Anyway, I think this definitely does bring us to the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, of course I will be back with more reviews, but till then, please do comments down below and engage, guys. Like I said, I would love to put the full episode here, but I cannot do that. I'd rather put it on Facebook. So yeah, for now let's engage. However, kuzoyenzakalani ngempela manibhekile nina phakathi kukaPhinda noFaith vele nje liyaduma liyabashonela kanjalo nje ngase ngabuhlungu Nkosi yami. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next one when I'm definitely bringing you more reviews. Till then, please do stay blessed and I love you.